Okay, hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we've got a special video for you. We're going to be emptying the blue Henry Hoover and we're going to be giving him a facelift. So what we're going to do is we're going to empty him out first and then we're going to be putting Henry's face on the blue Hoover, okay? And we'll show you how to do that if you guys got Hoovers. These Henry eyes and smile is actually, you can remove them and change them around. So we'll start by emptying this Hoover. This Hoover is pretty full and disgusting. Alright, let's have a look at this. Come here guys, have a look at this. Look how bad this is. This is going to be bad. First things first, let me open this plastic bag. I'm going to use to empty it in. So we use this blue Henry for all of the dirty jobs because he's the oldest Henry Hoover we have. We haven't seen many blue Henry Hoovers. I haven't really seen many blue ones. Quite rare to get a blue one. The rarest one is the gold one. Show the people the gold one. That, I don't think I've seen anybody have that gold one before. Alright, so the bag is ready. Okay. I don't want to do this, guys. I don't want to see what is underneath this. Okay. Ew. That is disgusting. That is gross. Look at that. The amount of dust. Look at that. Can you see the dust come out? Mm-hmm. Look at it. It's all over me. Look at this.
Is blue Henry bigger than the red Henry?
Yeah, it is.
Look. Oh wow, I didn't know that. The face might not fit.
You think so?
If it's a bigger tub. Let's see anyway.
Should do, still. You can try it. This is filthy. I'm going up my sleeves for this.
Okay.
I'm going to need to have a full shower after this. Okay. Oh, you've got a lot of dirt inside there, guys. Look. Hair.
Oh, don't touch it.
Tissue. What the hell is that? Guys. Can you believe that?
That was not me.
I've been looking for that.
No, it's not.
I was actually looking for this. This is one of my tools. Now, before we empty him, I think it's a good idea we have a look around.
No, don't.
No, we have to. Batteries. Henry Hoover been sucking up batteries. Anything else good that we can? No.
Okay, that's enough. That is enough.
You never know, guys. Always check your Hoovers before.
No.
That's my tool now. And keep that. Okay.
Shall I help you?
Yes,
Pull
please.
the bag.
Now, just turn him upside down. Give him 3 pats on his belly, look. 1, 2, 3. There you go. That is an empty.
He needs a jet wash as
Okay.
well. Look at it inside. It's
That's
so
fine.
dirty still.
Let us show you. So, let me show everybody something very unique. But you guys didn't know this. Alright guys, so this is a trick, this is a life hack. So if you get the Henry Hoover, okay, You see over here, there's a clip there, there's a clip there. Okay? What you can do,
I think it's easier if you did it, yeah, do the tops first.
if you push Henry's eyes to the side, yeah, and push it far enough. It's made out of very strong plastic so it won't snap. Do that side, and then you do this side, right underneath his eyes. There you go. And then the two clips are released from the top, and if you get his smile, you just get it from underneath. There you go. Oops. See if I can get him here.
It's easy if you like pull from both sides, yeah.
There you go. I've got him here. Sorry guys. Usually it's a lot easier to do. There you go. Sorry guys. There you go. Okay, let's do that one again.
You done it.
Okay, we need it for YouTube Shorts.
No, it's fine. I'm not editing it. I'm not taking that out. Everybody's seen that. Hey, just put it on the blue. Let's see if it fits.
There you go. I'm doing it again, guys. One from the side here. Yeah. One from the side. Over here. Yeah. There you go.
That's good.
Okay. I don't want to touch
But that's
this
staying in the video.
I don't want to touch this here.
Oh wait, let's see the size difference of both Henrys. So I didn't know the different size. Let's put it on the floor and just see.
Alright, so this is the size difference. Quite small, very big compared to that one, yeah? Then you just take your Henry face and clip it on. Literally fits on. Give it a good push till you hear the clip. There you go. It's clipped and that's it. Blue Henry has been restored. He's got a face now, guys.
That is so cool. You can finally see.
This here. Put the lid on it here.
Blue Henry looks very happy now.
Yeah. Here we go. And we got that on. That on. Look guys. He's got a face again. Right. Like and subscribe guys for more videos and more Henry life hacks.